I have this affliction called transgeminal neuralgia, which attacks the nerves in my face and causes intense pain when I do certain things. I am on medication for this, but the medication is not currently working, so I have quite a bit of pain when I talk, and so I am using an AI avatar to speak for me on my videos. But the content is mine, and PromptWrite AI has helped me create this video. Here we go. Before AI, I used to spend hours writing emails, posts, scripts. You name it. My keyboard was smoking. Now, I knock out better content in minutes. And today, I'm showing you the 5 things I use PromptWrite AI for every single week. If I knew this earlier, I'd have saved a small forest in paper. Let's jump in. First up, email sequences. Look, I'm a retired teacher and farmer, not Hemingway. I type in a simple prompt, here's my offer, here's my audience. And PromptWrite spits out subject lines, full emails, calls to action, the works. No more staring at a blank document wondering why my brain suddenly went on vacation. It's like having a professional copywriter living in your laptop, without the attitude. Second, social media captions. You know those creators who post every day like it's effortless? Yeah, they're using tools. I give PromptWrite one idea, like saving money after 65, and boom. 5 scroll-stopping captions. Different tones, different hooks, different styles. It gives me inspirational grandpa, direct marketer, and funny retired guy who still has some sauce left, and all in one click. Third, ad copy. This is the one that shocked me. I plug in my offer, like my freedom number guide, and it gives me headlines, descriptions, angles, pain points, benefits, everything. And here's the best part. It gives me options to test, so I'm not guessing which message will work. That alone saves time and money. 2 things I plan on keeping. Fourth, video scripts, like this one. I typed, give me 5 reasons I use PromptWrite every week, and it built me a structure that actually makes sense. It tells me where to put the hook, where to add a story, even reminds me not to ramble, which, for me, is a service to humanity. Fifth, sales pages. The headlines, the bullet points, the storytelling. It gets my voice and makes me sound way more polished than I am. Look, if you're still writing everything from scratch, you're working way too hard. I'm retired. I don't want a full-time writing job. PromptWrite saves me hours every week and lets me focus on what matters, creating, connecting, and helping folks just like us earn from home. If you want to test PromptWrite for yourself, check the link in the description. And if you want my freedom number guide or my 7 ways to make money online handout, again, check the link in the description. Leave a note in the description and just say, Bill, send me the guides, and I'll get them to you. Work smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.